In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Axiom wallet to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So now, before we begin, you'll need an Axiom Pro account, and I will leave a link in the description. And while you sign up using my link, you'll also get 10% off on fees for the lifetime of your account as well. And now once you've done that, we need to head on over to phantom.com. Then from here, we need to click on the download for Chrome button. And what this is going to do, going to take us to the Chrome web store. And now we got to add this. So at the moment, I've already got it installed. So just go ahead and click on install. All right, so once you've added that to Chrome, we want to go ahead and open up your Phantom wallet. So we've got two options. You can go ahead and create an account if you haven't got one, or simply sign into your Phantom wallet. I'm assuming you've got a Phantom wallet, so I'm just going to quickly sign in here. All right, so once you've created or logged into your Phantom wallet, we need to close these two, get back to axiom.trade, and then on the top right-hand corner, click onto your account, and click on account and security. And you'll be inside your account security window. Now from here, it will say wallets, add or manage your external wallet account. So go ahead and click on manage wallets. Then it'll take you inside your wallets. And then from here, we want to go ahead and import your Phantom wallet. So click on import. Then we need to enter the private key from your Phantom wallet. And don't share this key with everyone because this is unique to you and only you. And then that's it. Your Axiom wallet is now successfully connected to Phantom. If this video helped, please subscribe to the channel. It really supports me.